Hello aspirants, so welcome back to the channel. So aspirants, BTR নতুনকে recruitment advertisement আহি গল যদি আপোনালোকে চোৱা নাই আপোনালোকে চালি হল এটো আইছে অফিস অফ দা ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰাৰ বটলেণ্ড ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি আৰু কিয়ৰ কাৰণে আইছে এটো আপোনালোকে চাবলৈ পাৰিব ইয়া empanelment of guest faculty in Bodoland University Udalguri campus for the season 2026-2027. Okay, so department dia ase yate code vacancies to aise department to yate aise bodo department education department and political science department dot guest faculty number of post 3333 mane total 9 ta vacancies aise. Okay, aro remuneration to jodi sai yate fixed buli dia hoise de remuneration 25000 per month sobeke dia hobo aro jodi to advertisement to apnaloke sabule bisare tene hole moi description link to di thoiso apnaloke description jai pini eto advertisement to download kori pini lobole paribo aro eto hoise form. Okay, ei form to apnaloke fill up koribole lagibo jehetu so aro next shot ahise iti next shot apnaloke sabole pare eto hoise engagement in Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya 3 under SSA Udalguri medium to jodi sai apnaloke eto medium to ase Assamese medium helper cook ase eta aro eta salary bila apnaloke sabole pare 23000 something and age to sabole pare 45 years. Okay, cook salary to apnar 11000 eto full time teacher eto contractual no hoy jodi apnaloke jodi eligible hoy tene hole apnaloke education qualification to sai pini apply kori lole hol. Okay, eto moi groupot share kori dim. Okay, eto video pisote groupot share kori dim apnaloke eto advertisement to download kori pini sale hol aro eto job to only BTC area karone hoy buli ami kobole lagibo kiono yate already likha hoise preference will be given to candidate from BTAD area buli yate likha hoise. Okay, so aji moi video to guys yate bondo kori dilu. Thank you.